Hi everyone, in this video, I will be unboxing the Honeywell-Xenon 1950 scanner. So right out the box, you will be able to see a USB cable. And after that will be the Honeywell-Xenon 1950 scanner itself. And that's all. It is just that simple, just the scanner and the USB cable itself. To connect the USB cable to the scanner, connect this part of the cable to the bottom of the scanner, and you are all set. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share and also subscribe to our channel.